Our devices support DXF format import. First you take the sheet that is scanned through the scanner. Bulk upload to AutoCAD. Then import the required engineering drawings into CAD. Realization of cone typesetting through the function of CAD. Then generate the cutting scheme into a DXF format file. Import device. Match the cutting lines to the sheet by camera positioning. Finally, automatic processing is realized through the equipment. Let's do a case demonstration. Select the solution that needs to be processed. Export format selection DXF. Import the FX format file. Select the sheet with processing in turn. You can select all to adjust the cutting lines. You can also choose single or multiple to adjust the cutting lines. To match the optimal cutting pattern, you can also rotate the cutting path. The above is how to pass the typesetting in CAD. Import the whole process of equipment cutting.